So hey दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र. So this is the new one from Samsung smartphone. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Peak still now the Samsung launch for the year in the rear view mirror, and now it's that competitor have launched their fan phone to its time to focus on what Samsung has planned for 2024. And the Galaxy S24 Ultra figured to be the best phone in the Samsung. So start Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Top best features: Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 or Exynos 2400 chipset. Depending on market, 144Hz refresh rate on display, right? A 50 megapixel telephone lens replacing one of the 10 megapixel zoom lens on the 23 Ultra previous smartphone, right? Onboard artificial intelligence assisted features with Samsung alert 9 camera sensor to capture more light and titanium sight. The tech about Galaxy S24 Ultra specification by technical power. The starting of price, my dear friends. So the USA price 1,199 rupees and the next variant is 1,399 rupees. It means Indian 99,517 rupees, and the second variant is 1,60,170 rupees. And the processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, RAM 8GB and the 12GB. Storage up to 2 terabyte storage. The display type 6.8 inches AMOLED M13 LTPO resolution, the 3200 and 1440 and a pixel free 463 pixel per inch. The refresh rate on the display panel 1 Hz to 144 Hz. The best smartphone on this time. Peak brightness 2500 nits brightness on the bright. Front camera on the S24 Ultra. The front 12 megapixel selfie camera on the rear back side 200 megapixel in the first wireless smartphone. 12 megapixel ultra wide angle and the 10 megapixel telephotos, right? 3 optical zooming, 50 megapixel telephoto, 5x optical zoom, and the dimension 6.38 into 311 into 0.33 inches. Their weight is 233 grams. It 21 ounces.